Hi, guys. So I just wanted to explain the Makers movement and how it is a great component to bringing 21st century mindset into our classrooms. Um, so what it is it's a project-based or problem-based learning that gets the kids to do activities that are very hands-on, they're collaborative, um, very engaging, and as I said, it focuses on solving problems, and that's what that demonstration shows us what they're learning, how they're applying um, the curriculum that we're teaching in other areas uh, to what they're doing. Um, and as we can see here, that we are all makers. It doesn't really matter our profession, our skill sets, or anything like that. With our creativity and our innovation, we can be a part of this. We can be makers. Um, so some trends that we can see in this, and some challenges. Current trends we see are maker spaces. They're really great. I'll go into them a little bit later on in this presentation, so I won't ramble on right now. There's also cross innovation. So as I stated, anybody and their profession can be part of a maker space, and that's what we want to show the kids, how artists, scientists, mathematicians, engineers, uh, musicians, all of those things, they can all become components of a maker space of innovation. um, we're in an age where we need that collaboration. We have so many resources out there that are at our fingertips, and so many new inventions that collaboration is so key for our students to know and understand and participate in. Some challenges that we might see is that grading this can be difficult. It's not just, a paper and pencil type lesson. You want to be able to see how the kids are applying their knowledge and understanding from other subjects to what you're doing. So as an educator, you have to kind of find the best way for you to assess what they're doing. Um, you also have to make sure that this isn't just, like a fun add-on activity. You really want to tie it into your curriculum that you're doing. So that might mean collaborating with some of your teachers to make sure that, you're pulling in components from everything, because that is really what makes a great makers movement environment. And we also have to be, careful about the price tag of it. Um, Components of a maker space can be expensive: 3D printers, laser cutters, robotics, but it doesn't have to be. Like, as great as those tools are, you don't need them to have a great space. You can use just, cardboard and scissors and tape and glue and string and, just everyday household objects to invent new things or design new things. Integrating into the classroom, as I stated, makerspace. There are so many different ways that you can do that. As I said, there's make and take. Kids make it and they take it home, free form. You just give them a prompt and let them have the supplies and go. There's design challenges, portfolio projects that can take longer. There's also virtual maker spaces where you can learn to code and, 3D design and everything like that. Some of those virtual maker spaces are like the Tinkercad, or Scratch, which incorporate coding of like books and animation and games. Or in Tinkercad, you can do 3D design and coding and everything like that. And then Pinterest. I mean, oh my goodness, if you need design ideas or anything like that for your maker space, Pinterest is an amazing tool for you to use. So I cannot stress that enough. Um, and then just the impact it has, it's hands-on and engaging learning, creative and collaboration, it's cross-curricular, and it really is just an amazing 21st century application in our classroom. Um, so yeah, These are my resources. I encourage you to Google this. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thanks.